It's your boy, man. It's your boy, Majavan, J.K. Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Man, it's a sad day in real estate heaven. You know, your boy have to terminate the 100 day to 100K challenge. I know, man. I know what y'all thinking. Uh, for those of you who are superly overly committed to the process, man, I know that y'all are saying like, "Job, man, don't do it." But I feel like I've been doing y'all a disservice, so therefore I have to terminate it permanently, temporarily put it on pause, man, and roll back and relaunch, a full-fledged, better equipped type of challenge, man. Just doing some digging and some thinking, man, and I haven't fully prepared you guys for, what's to come. You out there making calls, you out there, motivating yourself. The videos is motivating you. You're subscribing to the channel, you're checking out the videos, but I haven't actually given you the necessary tools. So um, at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you guys a bonus, man, to where it'll really propel you when you're out there. When you own your appointments and you don't know what to look for. Stay to the end. I got something special for you guys, but I've I haven't prepared y'all, man. I haven't prepared y'all, and I apologize for that. You know, in this field, it's definitely uh, a people industry, and in order to get out there with the confidence that you need, of course you're gonna stumble, you're gonna do those type of things, but I haven't provided you guys with the necessary scripts, any of those type of things. Um, I take pride in a lot of the times. I've been a hands-on type of approach. I never use system. I never utilize uh, scripts and things like that because I kind of just learn on the fly, and I've been doing it for so long to the point to where I'm working myself, so I'm not really thinking of as far as how I've been relaying that message on the other side of this lens. So I want to give you guys something that I know will definitely help you out. Talking to sellers, there's a few examples, there's a few back and forth, some things for you to practice and play with. Hopefully, if you've been taking this challenge serious, you went back and you watched some videos. You watch some videos and uh, you've been studying, you've been taking it serious, man. Because first and foremost, that was one of the main things you had to do. You had to get the mind right. So hopefully you guys have been out there and you took it serious. But I still want to provide more value for you guys. So um, what I'll be doing is you drop your name in the box, put your email, comment your email, or send me a direct message with your email. Subscribe to the channel first. Definitely subscribe. Click the like button. But put your email in the comments, man. That way, for those of you who, well, I don't want anyone to get spam. So if you send me a um, direct message, I'll send you over my wholesaling uh, quick flip profit calculator spreadsheet to where all you're doing is inputting the numbers and it's going to spit out a number to where if you stick to these numbers that then you should definitely have some success in this business. I'm a little unorthodox like I mentioned, so I can play with it, but for you guys, you direct me or DM me or put your email address in the comments. I'll send you over the spreadsheet. And I'm also, for those who, uh, I give you guys a bonus on the next video. But yeah, do that, man. Let's try to make this. I'm gonna relaunch it. I'm gonna re-roll it. So just bear with me. But I want to prepare you guys. I want you to be 100% confident when you're going out. Yes, you're gonna make, you know, tidbits here and there, you know, mistakes here and there, but even being comfortable speaking on the phone, you know, uh, definitely want to give you guys some role playing techniques and things like that. Just a couple scripts to look over. So put your information in, and hopefully you find some value. Like, share, comment, hit that subscribe button, man. Share this with somebody, man, because I guarantee you, if you go back, you listen to the videos, you follow the steps, you will definitely find success in real estate wholesaling, real estate rehabbing. I'm gonna be dropping my rehab blueprint. You know, rehab many of houses. Uh, Started out wholesaling, graduated to rehabbing. I've done everything in between. So I'm gonna be rolling out that rehab blueprint, and you know, we're just gonna keep getting this real estate money, man, and we're gonna keep building businesses. We're gonna keep striving for the greatest, you know, financial achievements we can, and we're gonna try to take as many people with us as possible. So y'all stay tuned, man. It's your boy Majai Vernon K, Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Telling y'all, man, mess with your boy, holler at your boy. Let's take it serious. Let's do what we can do to make sure that we change the financial destiny of our offspring, our children, our family. Let's create that living dynasty that, you know, something that we'll all be proud of. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'll see y'all at the next one.